In this lesson, we'll go over how to read the small a, I, U, E, O. In addition to the small ya, yu, and yo characters, you will encounter words with the small a, I, U, E, O in Katakana. Small vowels function similarly to small ya, yu, yo. Simply replace the previous vowel sound with the small a, I, U, E, or O sound. Let's take a look at some common small vowel combinations. To review, what is this character? A. A small a essentially replaces the vowel sound of the previous character with a. A common combination that uses a small a is fa. Fa. Fight. Fight. Sofa. Sofa. File. File. What is this character? I. Again, a small I essentially replaces the vowel sound of the previous character with I. Here are some common combinations that use a small I. T. T. D. D. Fi. Fi. Tissue. Tissue. Dinner. Dinner. Filter. Filter. You may also see a small I after U to represent the English W sound. We. We. Wink. Wink. Halloween. Halloween. What is this character? U. The small U isn't used very often, but you may occasionally see these combinations. Tu. Tu. Du. Du. You may also come across U with the dakten. An U with the dakten usually represents a V sound. V. V. What is this character? E. Here are some common combinations using a small E. She. She. Je. Je. Che. Che. Fe. Fe. Chef. Chef. Cello. チェロ、パフェ、パフェ。You may also see a small e after u to represent the English W sound. ウェ、ウェ。ウェディング、ウェディング。スウェーデン、スウェーデン。What is this character? お。A common combination that uses a small o is フォ、フォ。フォロー、フォロー。フォーク、フォーク。フォント、フォント。You may see a small o after u to represent the English W sound. ウォ。ウォシュレット、ウォシュレット。ウォレット、ウォレット。We learned how to read the small a, i, u, e, o characters in katakana. Congratulations, you have completed the Katakana Basics online course. Now that you can read hiragana and katakana, you can study Japanese without relying too much on romaji. If you want to continue to improve your reading and writing, you can begin studying kanji. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.